What's up, y'all? We back with another one. We got us a nice Range Rover, newer model. I don't know what they call it. What is this? It's an HSE P400. Yeah, but y'all can see it's kind of dusty right now. This is not the first time I've did this vehicle. It's actually one of my regular customers that owns Tioga Dental. So if y'all need to get y'all teeth cleaned or some fillings or root canal or what's the name, crown, all that good stuff, she do my teeth. So y'all check it out, Tioga Dental here in Gainesville, Florida. But hey, let's check this car out, see why it's all dusty, dirty, dingy, need to get cleaned, all that good stuff. And we're gonna make it happen. So y'all can see, you can write on that. It's super dusty, whatnot. But hey, the wheels definitely need some attention. Right there. Y'all see the outside. Got all this stuff in between the doors. Got these mats that need to get clean. Go ahead and turn that off so we don't get that copyright. And the cup holders definitely need to be white. We got some stuff here up on the dash that's gonna come off. And let's check out the back, man. Got a little umbrella in the way. Y'all can see it's a lot of stuff down in here. Yeah, I don't know what they've been doing, but it's a lot more dirty than normal.
It is.
But I guess that's why she called me. Yeah, man, so let's check out the back, see what it's looking like. Yes, sir. Still a little dirty right here. Got a couple items and stuff that gotta get moved. And man, y'all can see the dirt on the sides. The mat's been doing their job though. Got some more stuff right here in the doors that need to come out. And over here, same thing. Let's go ahead and get these glasses up out of here. All right, we got some candles, some battery candles. Get this dirt from up out of here. Y'all can see right here in the cracks and crevices, we got some dirt. But all that's gonna get blown out, taken care of. I don't know if I showed y'all this door right here, but all that stuff gonna come out. So we're gonna do like a starter detail on this one. It don't really need a whole lot of wiping down, but you know, we do like a little minor wipe down on it, get it right. So y'all stay tuned, check it out, try to get it right. Oh yeah, it's hot, man.
Yeah, I just want you to help him with it too.
Y'all can see it's like super hot, man. We try to find the shade in the summertime, but it's so hard. When we out here in Florida, y'all can see I got the heat reflecting hat on and whatnot. But in the meantime, in between time, these boys doing a great job on this car, getting it all dried up and ready to take it back to the customers. My main man, Pekin Joe. Yeah, lapel going in.
You're right.
Y'all see what it is, man. Y'all make sure y'all support Winning Edge Carwash by subscribing, hitting that notification button, liking the videos, and commenting, sharing it with friends. Y'all keep coming back, man. That's what we do.
Stay off the thing like that. Yeah. Can't get wet at all.
Right, y'all see what it is. Nice little Range Rover. Boy, my boy Mikkel, boy, ain't be doing a good job on the wheels. That thing be shining.
I know.
I know. Oh my God.
What? What the fuck?
I know.
Tire guy, kill.
Tire guy Mikkel.
Hey, I know how to take the compliment.
Lord. I don't get no thank you or nothing. I know. Yeah, man. Y'all, we gonna get this thing finished up and show you the after effect of it and go from there. What up, y'all? We back. We got the doors wide open on this Range Rover HSE, and we're gonna show y'all around it, show y'all the improvement on it. As y'all can see, the doors, they don't have any more crumbs and dirt in it, all that good stuff. The floor mats are clean. Seats, cracks and crevices, they all done up. Let's go ahead and check out this cup holder area. Looking a whole lot better. Everything is dusted, dash dusted. Let's go ahead and close that door up. Y'all can see the back looking great. Floor mats good. No more dirt inside of the doors. Just gonna check this side out. Looking good. Same as well. Got everything out of the side of the doors. And over here as well, man, we got this thing back in shape. So, y'all seen all that stuff on the dash. We got wiped off. Got the door jambs wiped down nicely. Let's go ahead and close it up. Gonna get ready to take it back where I got it from. Y'all can see up in there, it's all clean. Well, guys, y'all can tell it's another job well done from Winning Edge Carwash. We put my shades back on because it's hotter than I don't know what out here. The sun is really shining. Hey, man, y'all check us out. Go to winningedgecarwash.com and you know what to do. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell, share, like, comment, all that good stuff, man. Let's get it.